everybody, this is Jacqueline Davis and this is Supporting Mom. Guys, I am here and I'm back with another great video on how to make money in your spare time. I am a stay-at-home mom, so I'm always doing stuff to help make extra money for myself when my kids are away, my kids are at school, or just downtime. But before I get started with that, hey guys, go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit the notification button so you can get notified when we post a new video. This is our page Supporting Mom, guys. And as you can see, we have tons of great videos. As we scroll down, we have weight loss journey, we have rice water journey, do it yourself, vlogs, games and activities, and so much more. And like I said, the one we recently just added, how to make money from home. Okay, so if you are interested and you want to learn more, you definitely want to hit that subscribe button at the top. Okay, not only that, we also want you guys to subscribe to our kids YouTube channel. So let me put this in. You can either type Supporting Kids, or you can click on the link below. We will have that in the description, so you can just go right to their page and subscribe. Okay, so going to their page is right here, and as you can see, they are building as well. They recently just posted a new video, so you definitely want to check it out, and they will be posting more as time go on. So make sure you guys go like and subscribe to this channel as well. Okay, so now let's get started. I know you guys are looking for ways to make money, and I am going to show you now. Hey everybody, this is a great way to make money. With this company, guys, they give you surveys, and I know a lot of people are like, oh, surveys, but the best thing about this one, they're finding surveys that actually fit you. And on top of that, you can make anywhere from $1 to $10 to $20 with these surveys. And like I said, it's easy peasy. All you have to do is to download an app. Not only that, you can register online for your to be in the queue so they can start sending you different surveys. Okay, now as we scroll down, you can become a VIP. You are a VIP when you install the Savvy Connect, which I will go over it with you guys in just a minute, where they will actually pay you to just connect it to your phone and your device, just so they can get the data traffic from your phone. Okay, and you get paid for each device that you have monthly. Okay, so on top of that, let's go to how it works. We just need your opinions on a lot of different things. They just want to know exactly your thoughts about, different things, different product, different service, different companies. They want to know what you can bring to the table so it can help them make their sites better. And you get more from the app, so you can definitely download the app. You don't have to do it online, but if you don't have a phone, you can always use your laptop. If you don't have a laptop, you can always use your phone. Either or, they would email you the information. Okay. Also, they have a refer a friend. Now, if you're a person that you don't want to refer anybody, hey, you don't have to refer anybody. Okay, you can just take the surveys and make money that way, or you can refer a friend, because anyway, they want everyone opinion. Okay, so basically how this works, I'm going to click on this so you guys can see exactly how this works. And I think this is amazing because, like I said, it's going to build up. So I'm not going to go over everything that's in here, but we're going to go down here where it say referral. And basically, you can definitely, promote this and on your Facebook. You can just tell family and friends, YouTube videos, whatever you feel that can help get it out there. And you get an incentive when you complete a survey. You also get an incentive when your direct referral complete a survey, and you get an incentive when your indirect referral complete a survey. So you not only getting paid for things that you are doing, you're getting paid for your direct and you're getting paid for your indirect, which mean the people that your direct brought to the table. Okay, they also do sweepstake contests where you can make $500 with that. just for entering into a drawing. Okay, you can also get paid long as you have $1, okay, in a center. You can request a payment by using the request payment tools under the account section once you log in. Now, they do make payments by check, USD, and will be mailed via US Post to the resident on file. So anybody can do this. As I can see, I was scrolling through here, and they have mentioned that let me see if I can go to the FAQ because I want to show you guys this. They have mentioned that, you don't have to be in the US to actually do this. They're saying they all around the globe. So I'm going to go here so we can just pinpoint it so you guys can definitely understand how this works. Okay. There's no fees to join Survey Savvy. You can just join and start taking survey. And right here where it said, can I join Survey Savvy if I do not live in the United States? It said yes, we accept members from all points of the globe. Okay, and your specific country or resident is not listed in the registration form, please contact us. So don't give up if you come on, you don't see your country. Contact them so you can be added so you can do this and get paid as well. And just ask it for things. So they don't do PayPal and they don't do direct deposit. They only do checks, guys. And then I told you about the incentive and how you're getting paid for each person. They do not withhold taxes. You are totally responsible for the taxes. So if you make over $600 with this company, you would need to pay taxes on this. Okay, so that's your responsibility. Make sure that you do that because this is a legit company and you don't want to get in trouble not paying your taxes. Okay, basically, let's go down different ways and how to qualify and inquire. So you can just go down this list and kind of read different things on this. This is just if you have a little bit more questions about it, you definitely can come down here and just read. They have tons of questions that can answer your question. I know a lot of you guys are thinking, but they do pay checks, guys, if you're looking to make some money with this. And yeah, you can just get started. The link is actually in the description below. If you go ahead and sign up. Also, you can join my Facebook group where I have tons of other ways of making money as well. But the link will be in below. You can email me, contact me if you have any questions. I'm here to help you guys. I don't want you just to sign up and then be lost. Sign up and then contact me and say, hey, I need help with this. I am willing to help you, okay? The next thing I was talking about was the Survey Savvy Connect. Now with this one, you're going to download the app because what's going to happen is the other one you sign up on the website and they'll just send you emails when you have a survey. But the app you will download for the Savvy Connect, guys. And that's so you can keep up with, how much data they're using, and how much money you're being paid for what they're doing, okay? It says get more from every device. Install Savvy Connect on your smartphone, desktop, and tablet to earn $5 USD or $5 GBP per device each month, okay? So if you have 3 devices, that's like $15 a month. If you have 8 devices, add that up. You will see that's going to add up, and you're getting this monthly as long as you have this installed on your devices, okay? All you do is, you can download it. It said, download the app and participate in market research simply by surfing the internet. So they are going to be sending you different surveys targeting this so they can pick up what it is they need from that traffic so they can use to better whatever they're doing on their end. And you're getting paid for that, okay? You get cash rewards when you search the web and receive additional paid research opportunity. So you can just make money just searching the website and you can see your money start adding up just doing that. And then it said, we protect your data, enjoy a fully safe experience as we are committed to protecting you with your shares. So that should kind of tell you guys that this is a very legit, they've been around for a while. They've been around for years. And I can honestly say that they will protect your information. They're not going to let it get out. They're not going to sell it. They're not going to try to get into it. They only need certain things from it just so they can better, different things on their end, especially with companies that they're partnered with, okay? But yeah, tablet, laptop, computer, smartphones. Hey, download the app, guys. As simple as 1, 2, 3. And This app is called Survey Savvy, guys. You go online, type in Survey Savvy, or you can just click the link below, guys, and I can definitely personally help you get this set up. This is an amazing opportunity for anybody that's looking to make some money. And when you are ready to cash out, you know, if you have $1 and you just want to cash out that dollar, cash it out, they'll send you a check for $1. If you want to wait till you hit $50, $100, $230, then you can, and then cash out, and they'll send you a check for $230. So, guys, definitely want to look into this. This is an amazing opportunity. I am loving it. Just getting these different surveys and then watching people that I refer, they doing the same thing. It's amazing. It's money being paid all the way around. So if you are interested in this, go ahead and click that link below, and remember to subscribe to this channel, like it, share it, you know, and comment below. Okay, guys, if you have any questions whatsoever, if you're looking for a certain type of job, work from home gig, hey, come below, let me know what you're thinking, and I can help, because I'm going to be posting a lot of different work from home jobs for you guys to do, different things you can do in your spare time to make some money. Okay, just remember to subscribe to this. Also, you can join our Facebook group, or you can find more ways of making money, and you also can, you know, follow us on Instagram. So until next time, guys, this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll be talking to you guys later. Bye.